how are you? Hope you're doing great. I am Burke and you're watching Road Odyssey. This video is for the third annual car show for the Genesis Center. And so this is for women and children in crisis. It was a very nice show in Rockwall, Texas at the Hobby Lobby.
Here is the big map overview of where Rockwall is located. And here's the Hobby Lobby that we were at. And on the History Channel, there's America Unearthed, and they did a video on Rockwall, Texas. It's pretty interesting.
Now, in this video, I believe I may make this part one because I primarily have what I want in this video. A little bit about the show, some cool motorcycles, a dragster, and some of the people that I've come to know who have gone in my cruises. So I just wanted to get this little part of a video together and just let you see this first. And I believe I will make a part two so that you can see more of the other cars that I spotted there. And so it's, either way, it's all in good fun. So let's just go ahead and move into the video. Woo!
Thought I'd start out showing you my little red Corvette. And here are the motorcycles for the Crossroad Riders of Mesquite. Very cool group. And just pan around, just give you an idea of what the car show looked like. A candid picture of Jeff, Cope, and my wife Virginia enjoying themselves at the show. And got this picture of Jeff with his Chevelle. Beautiful car. This is Cope and Pamela's new acquisition, a 2013 Grand Sport C6. Absolutely beautiful color. It's a blue metallic, but it changes color in different light. It can actually have a purple sheen to it. It's also an anniversary model. We met Dennis and Mary from the Sulphur Springs Corvette Club. Very nice people, really enjoyed them a lot. Ran into Russell Gray again, and he had taken his 1972 Ford F100 to the show. Met these two fine gentlemen. They are both ex-war vets and ex-police officers from Fort Worth. Their cars were beautiful, and obviously I favor the Corvette just because I'm a Corvette kind of guy. But the GTO was really beautiful too. Gotta have fun. This is Ricky Kate's Dangerous Toy Blown Outlaw Pro Mod Chevy 2. Ricky Kate is from Royce City, Texas, and I will have a few links below if you're interested in seeing a little bit more about this car. I heard that this was a 3,000 horsepower dragster. One group of impressive cars are those that belong to the Raceway Muscle Car Club.
That'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Y'all are great. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. And you know what? Get out there in your special car if you have one, or just get out in any car and go on those back roads, have some fun. Go to these shows. A lot of these are for supporting people in need. And with that, y'all have fun, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.